Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Tips. Today, I will help you to understand the mechanism of human heart in an easy method. This is one of the important topic in class 10 biology. We can learn this mechanism in an easy way. So this mechanism of heart we can learn using the favorite shape, that is the heart shape. So what do you mean by heart? It's a muscular organ located in the chest cavity. In the first figure, you can see it is present between the lungs and it is well protected by ribs. What is the function of heart? The function of heart is to pump the blood. And what is the size of that? It is about the size of the closed fist. So there are four parts or four chambers for the heart. Right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. Upper chambers we can call that as auricle. Lower chambers we can call that as ventricle. So here you can see RA, LA, RV, LV. RA shows right auricle, LA shows left auricle, RV shows right ventricle, LV shows left ventricle. And another tubes also you can see: vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta. Now the functioning starts. So from different parts of the body, deoxygenated or impure blood, it will come to right side. So right side carries which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Left side carries which kind of blood? Oxygen rich blood. That is what it is given blue color for the right side, and for the left side it is given red color. So from different part of the body, deoxygenated or impure blood comes to right auricle. Through the tricuspid valve, it goes to right ventricle. So right auricle opens into right ventricle and left auricle opens to left ventricle. What is there present? Valve is present. Valve between right auricle and right ventricle we can call that as tricuspid valve. Valve between left auricle and left ventricle is called bicuspid or mitral valve. So what is the function of this valve you know? It allows the blood to flow in one direction. That means it prevents the backward flow of blood. So here you can see right auricle. From right auricle, the deoxygenated blood goes to right ventricle. Then from right ventricle, one pulmonary artery takes the deoxygenated blood to lungs. But we learned that artery carries only oxygen-rich blood. Here why it is like this? Because this is the only artery which carries deoxygenated or impure blood. So which is the artery which carries impure blood in heart? That is pulmonary artery. So it will take the blood to lungs for purification. After purification, who will take? Pulmonary vein will take the blood. So again another confusion. Veins are carrying which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Here which kind of blood they are taking? Oxygenated, that means pure blood. So this is the another thing they can ask, which is the vein carry oxygen rich blood or pure blood, that is pulmonary vein. So from lungs, this pulmonary vein after purification, oxygen rich blood they will take and gives to left auricle. From left auricle, it goes to left ventricle through bicuspid valve or mitral valve. From left ventricle, it goes to aorta. Through aorta, it goes to different parts of the body. So what is this aorta you know? This is the biggest blood vessel present in the body. So once again, I will tell right side carries which blood? Impure blood. Left side carries oxygen rich blood. Now you see the flow chart and we will learn that. So see the flow chart. Here we can see blue color arrow mark shows which kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Red color shows oxygen rich blood. So from different parts of the body, blood, that means impure blood, goes to right atrium. From right atrium, it goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle, it goes to lungs. And from lungs, after purification, it goes to left atrium. Then it comes to left ventricle. Then at last, it goes to different parts of the body. This is another diagram which we can easily remember while writing the exam. So you see here, right atrium or right auricle is there. So from where the blood coming? The blood is coming from the body and it comes to right auricle. Then it goes to right ventricle through pulmonary artery, that is the only artery which carries impure blood. It gives the blood to the lungs for purification. After purification, pulmonary vein will give the pure blood to left atrium. Through bicuspid valve, left atrium or left auricle gives the blood to left ventricle, and through the biggest blood vessel aorta, it passes the blood to different parts of the body. This is the functioning of heart. If you learn this flow chart and the first diagram, you can easily write the functioning or the working of heart. This also another flow chart. Whatever I said, the same thing only. Through vena cava, it comes to right atrium. Then through tricuspid valve, it goes to right ventricle. Through pulmonary artery, it goes to lungs. Then it goes to left atrium after purification. Then it comes to left atrium. After that, it goes to left ventricle. Then aorta, to rest of the body it goes. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.